Windows are a vital part of your home, offering natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. Over time, however, windows can become less efficient and lose their appeal due to wear, damage, or outdated designs. For homeowners in Meridian, professional window replacement is an investment that can greatly enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. Here's a closer look at the key benefits of replacing your windows with the help of skilled professionals. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of professional window replacement is the potential for improved energy efficiency. Older windows often allow drafts and heat transfer, which can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Modern energy-efficient windows feature advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass. These windows provide excellent insulation, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes adds an extra layer of insulation. With Meridian's seasonal temperature fluctuations, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can lower utility bills and make your home more comfortable year-round. Enhanced home comfort. Drafty windows or those with broken seals can make your home feel unevenly heated or cooled. Professional window replacement eliminates these issues, ensuring consistent indoor temperatures. Properly sealed windows reduce drafts and heat loss. Noise reduction. Modern window designs often include soundproofing features, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. UV protection. Advanced glass options block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. With new windows, your home becomes a more enjoyable place to relax and spend time with family. Increased home value. Investing in professional window replacement can significantly boost your property's value. Potential buyers often view updated windows as a major selling point, thanks to the long-term savings and improved aesthetics they provide. New windows. Enhance curb appeal. Sleek, modern window designs can update the look of your home's exterior. Signal proper maintenance. Replacing old or damaged windows demonstrates that you've cared for your home. Offer ROI. Energy-efficient upgrades, including new windows, often provide a solid return on investment when selling your home. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, window replacement is a smart way to protect and grow your home's value. Reduced maintenance. Old windows can require frequent upkeep, such as repainting, resealing, or repairing broken components. Modern windows, on the other hand, are designed to be low maintenance. Benefits include durable materials. Options like vinyl or fiberglass are resistant to warping, peeling, and corrosion. Self-cleaning glass. Some window types feature coatings that minimize dirt buildup, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Improved longevity. Professionally installed windows are built to last, saving you time and effort in the long run. With fewer chores and a longer lifespan, your new windows will make homeownership easier. Enhanced safety and security. Windows are a key part of your home's security. Outdated or damaged windows can be easier for intruders to break into, putting your family and belongings at risk. Professional window replacement offers sturdy materials. Modern windows are made from stronger materials that are harder to break. Advanced locks. Multi-point locking systems provide added protection. Impact-resistant glass. Laminated or tempered glass is designed to withstand impacts, protecting your home from storms or break-ins. In Meridian, where storms and strong winds can occur, secure windows offer both peace of mind and practical protection. Customized style and functionality. Replacing your windows is an opportunity to customize your home's look and feel. Professional window installation services offer a wide range of options, including design styles. Choose from casement, double hung, sliding, bay, or picture windows to suit your home's architecture. Frame materials. Select from wood, vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials to achieve the perfect balance of aesthetics and performance. Custom sizes and finishes. Professionals can provide tailored solutions that enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. These customization options allow you to align your windows with your personal style and functional needs. Expert installation for maximum performance. While DIY projects are popular for smaller home improvements, window replacement is a task best left to the professionals. Professional installers ensure precise measurements. Properly fitted windows eliminate gaps and drafts. Seamless installation. Professionals know how to handle different materials and ensure long-lasting performance. Warranty protection. Most professional installations come with warranties, offering peace of mind for years to come. By working with experienced experts in Meridian, you ensure your windows are installed correctly and ready to perform their best. Conclusion. Professional window replacement is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, safety, and value. In Meridian, where seasonal weather can be demanding, replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options ensures your home stays beautiful and functional for years to come. Ready to experience the benefits of professional window replacement? Reach out to trusted local experts in Meridian to explore your options and take the first step toward a brighter, more efficient home today.